this is Ms. Zileman, and I'm going to be teaching you how to take Cornell Notes. You will be taking these notes whenever we take notes in class, on readings or other assignments, or from the textbook. The first step for taking Cornell Notes is open up to a piece of paper inside your notebook. It should be around page number 21, the next blank piece of paper. Once you are there, I want you to do the following step. Using a ruler, draw an offset eye in your notebook. So, what you'll do is you're going to draw one line right on the top, like this. Okay? Then you will draw another line 5 lines up from the bottom. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now you're going to draw a third line. Instead of drawing an eye in the middle, like right over here, you're going to draw it a little bit to the side. Okay? Hopefully yours is a little straighter than mine. Do you guys see how that kind of looks like an offset eye? Okay. So, the next step. Step 2. Write the topic and date at the top of the page. So I already have my topic right over here. Okay? You guys can see it, right? I'm going to highlight it. Okay, that's my topic, my title. Now I also want a date. So I'm going to put today's date, which I'm going to say is the 20th or the 21st. Okay, so now let's do step number 3. For step number 3, you're going to take notes during the video or reading and replay or pause the video when needed. So right now, if you guys look, I've already put the notes where you need to do. I'm going to highlight it. So this area, that I'm going to highlight in blue, this big area over here, this is all where you put your notes, okay? Don't highlight it, this is the area. Okay. So, in this area, the steps, because you're how to take Cornell Notes, you should probably have the first 3 steps there, okay? However, when you're taking notes, you can write the main ideas. You don't need a copy word for word. You can shorten or abbreviate whatever you're writing. So just write what you think is the most important. You might want to pause the video and then copy this stuff down. So hopefully you have this written. So I'm going to push it a little bit aside. So now we're going to do step 4. After viewing the video or reading, go back and pull out the main points, key ideas, or key vocabulary, important dates or people, and you write these ideas in the left column. So over here, you're going to write the main ideas. So an example, we're going to call it the Q column. Over here, you put the main ideas. So I want everyone to look at what you have written so far and pull out all the main ideas and put them over here. So what is the most important thing? You can also put questions. So if you have any questions like, why are Cornell Notes important? You can put them over here also. Now, number 5. Number 5 is use the bottom section to write a summary. So down here, you're going to write a summary. So basically, what I want you to tell me down here is I want you to look at everything you've done so far, and I want you to pick out, and I want you to pretend that you're explaining it to someone else who wasn't in class today. And I want you to summarize all of the information. This will help you learn the material and also understand the material. So to review, all of your notes should start this way. You should have a cue column, a note section. So this is your note section, this is your cue column, and a summary section. So right now, if you haven't already, I want you to pause the thing, do step number 4, and then after that, do step number 5.